In this tutorial, we will try to see how to provide access to multiple tables in a single shot to a different user in Oracle. So right now I am in INF MGR user schema. I am trying to access locations from HR schema. So now, right now I am not able to access. So in order to grant privileges, right? So basically, if it is a single table, it's very simple. What we need to do is we just need to connect with a high privileged user, and then we can give a single grant. It's like grant maybe employees, if employee to HR.employee, actually grant all on HR.employees to INFMGR. Now in this way I will be able to access the employees table, but I will not be able to access other tables from HR schema. So after providing access, I'm able to access, but how to provide access to maybe like multiple tables in a single shot. So basically in case of SQL, right, the same thing what we need to do is we can actually loop through the tables which are present in HR schema. So this can be accomplished by using select star from all underscore tables, where we can add a filter where owner equal to HR. So now all underscore table is an Oracle dictionary table which lists out all the tables which are actually present in HR schema. Now I'll just access table underscore name, which will give me a single column with the list of table names available in the HR schema. I'll write a simple anonymous block which will give the privileges in a single shot. So for this I need to loop. For I will be an cursor which will loop through the select query. The select query is nothing but the query which we formed on the top. I'm just copying and pasting in the for loop. So I loop through all the iterations till I have an entry existing in the query. I need to make sure I have semicolons. Now it's simple. We have execute immediate in Oracle 2 in order to run any SQL statements, right, with variables, etc. So I'll just provide grant all on HR dot, because it needs the schema name also. Now followed by a variable which will be I dot table underscore name. If I give just I dot, I is a cursor, it will not able to understand what we are trying to do. We need to give I followed by the column name what we are extracting out of the query. Then to which user we want to provide access. Then single as in semicolon is mandatory. Now I'll try to execute this block. So this block executed successfully. Now if I try to access any other table, I should be able to access it without any issue. Let's suppose locations. Now I am able to access the same thing. I'll try to access from some other table like departments, right? I'm trying to access it from INFREP different user. Now I am not able to access it. Just I'll do a small change. Instead of INFMGR, I'll change it to INFREP. I'll try to execute this block, anonymous block. After the block is executed successfully, we will be able to access the table from INFREP user also. Yeah. Now in order to revoke, it's just simple changes. Same block, revoke from. In order to grant, it will be grant, and to when we are revoking, it is revoke from table. After revoking, right, if I try to access the same table, I will not be able to access it because the permissions are revoked from that particular user to access the tables from HR schema. And the same way I can actually revoke from INFMGR also. Make sure you are selecting that block and then executing it. If you execute a single statement, it will not work because it's an anonymous block. So yeah, thank you.